Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to remove watermark from PDF. So firstly, you have to just click on this edit PDF. Before edit PDF, I'm gonna show you this watermark. You can see here, right? Techavro. In every page, you will find it. Every page you can find it. This watermark. So how you can delete this watermark? You have to click on edit PDF, and then you can see here watermark. You have to click on this watermark and choose remove. Now click on yes, and it will take some seconds. Your watermark will be removed like this. Okay, so guys, this is how you can remove watermark from a PDF. So this is so simple. You can see it can be within 10 seconds or 20 seconds. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.